What makes someone cross the line and take their own family hostage?
Don't give a fuck about none of that.
Why would you just hit me?
Give a fuck about none of that. I will kill you.
Stop!
Bitch, I should knock your bitch ass out. Cause you talking
Stop!
about. Cause you talking about. You talking about. You'll never play with me, nigga. You'll never play with me.
Hang on, stay in the front. Stay in the front. There's somebody walking to the back. What's up, man?
He went down Copley.
Is he still wearing a white shirt and blue shorts?
Yeah, he completely back to dress. He got on the white shirt, the shorts.
Did you see which way on Copley he went?
He went towards the right, towards the freeway.
Alright. This male is on foot going westbound on Copley. If one of the units want to check the area. Black male, dreads, white shirt, blue shorts. Are you the one that called? What's going on?
So I just had to escape from my house with my son there because he was just getting really violent. I have marks all over me.
Does he have a firearm?
I don't know. I have a firearm in my house and he had it. So
She had a firearm in her house and he probably has it.
then he picked me up and threw me onto the back of my head onto the kitchen floor.
He threw you onto the kitchen floor, they said?
Yeah, on the back of my head.
Alright, real quick, is there a way to take pictures of the bump and stuff that you had on your arm? Is your child okay?
He was hitting me with him in my arm. I'm not sure if he hit him.
Okay. Do you mind if I check real quick?
And he's nonverbal.
Okay. Do you have any other marks?
Yeah.
Would one of you be able to, like, move him over, not right this second, but just so I can make sure he doesn't have any injuries? Mm-hmm. Are you good to do that? I don't want to wake him up. Get up there, short. Come on. Okay. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. He looks okay. Do you have a gray Jeep or does he have a gray?
Gray and black.
Is it yours or his?
Mine, and it's got the grill thing on the front of it.
Is it still at your house?
No, it should be, but he took it.
Yeah,
She said he took it.
He wouldn't give me my keys.
Okay.
And he loaded it up with bags and took it.
So you say he broke in the house. Like, how did he get in?
No, he has a key, so he didn't break in, but I had to break out to get away from him.
Okay. So,
Hi.
so she just has some minor, like, bruises and cuts and stuff.
Okay. You want to go to the hospital?
I don't want to lose my baby.
Okay.
As far as injuries go, from a legal perspective, if you don't go to the hospital tonight, it's not going to change anything.
Okay.
You already have the injuries. Charges are already going to be signed whether you want them to be signed or not.
Okay.
In Ohio, it's called preferred arrest. So if you have injuries, we have to pick up even if you don't want to do it.
Okay.
So there'll be a warrant out for him if we don't get him tonight.
Okay.
But we have officers going and checking. So if you want to go in the morning when it's more convenient for you, that's perfectly fine.
Okay.
Yeah, so he knows the law, the legal part of it, way better than I do.
Okay.
But I can tell you, I'm just going to ask you a couple real quick questions, just make sure I got a better understanding of what happened. So you were hit in the head.
Mm-hmm. Well,
did you,
yeah. Pick me up and threw me onto the ground.
So did you lose consciousness?
I started shaking in my right hand, uncontrollably.
Okay, but by and large, you remember everything that happened?
Yeah, I remember that.
There aren't any blacked out periods or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Did you see scars or anything
Yes.
when you hit your head?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It was ringing.
Okay, was it just the one? I don't want you to misinterpret the just. All right, I'm not saying this. Were you only slammed on the ground one time?
He slammed me on the ground downstairs and then kept knocking me into the wall upstairs.
Okay. Are you actively having any pain through your neck or through your spine?
Yes, right here.
Yeah, neck is a bit stiff?
Yeah.
Okay. So, well within your rights to refuse. I'm just obligated to let you know there's implicit risk to refusing. Like the officer said, it's not going to hinder anything legally if you wait to go in the morning.
Okay.
So, if that's what you choose, I would just encourage that we take some vitals real quick.
Okay.
I'll have you sign a form that says you don't want to go to the hospital, and then get out of your way so that you can start the legal side of stuff, right?
Okay. Now he broke my ring cameras off the house.
I see you still have one on there. Did he actually break it?
Physically broke the one on the inside.
You have one on the outside. Do you have access to it?
Yeah, but I don't have my phone. He broke my phone.
He broke your phone. Okay. Did he break your phone in the process of you calling 911
Yes,
too?
I was saying, hey, call 911.
Okay.
He had my phones and wouldn't give them to me.
Okay. And all this happened inside the house?
Inside the house, but they have a ring camera as well when he was outside hitting me.
Okay. That we're probably gonna have our crime scene unit come out here, but I'm gonna have to make some phone calls and see if they want to do that.
Okay.
You can go get your vitals with them while I work on that, and I'll come back and talk to you when I get sick. What, real quick, what prompted him to come over in the first place?
He had a key, and he's very controlling, and I told him all day, like the last few days that I was done, and he said he would kill me before I was done. Like, I wasn't leaving him. And
So he thought you were leaving him,
and he got and hopped in the back of my car, and
while you were in the car?
driving to back out, and he pulled me from my hair out of the car.
So how did it end up getting inside the house?
He drug us in. I was holding my son, and he drug us in the house. I was screaming out here, and I was hoping someone would already have called, and he drug us in the house.
Okay. So did he open the door through the key? Or
Yeah, no. I came out the front door running, and to get in my car to leave, and he came out. I don't even know where he came from, but he hopped in the back of my truck and was pulling.
So your
me
door
out.
was kind of already open, and then he just dragged you back inside.
Yeah.
So then, how did the window play?
So he was already hit. He locked me in my bedroom, took my phone, so I couldn't call. This yelling, "Hey, call 911!" And he took my gun out of my dresser, and then I just did what he said. I got on the ground and did everything he said, and I begged him, "Could we go downstairs because I needed ice for my face?"
Did he point the gun at you? Oh, okay.
And then he in front of my son too. He had it in front of both of us.
Okay.
And we went downstairs, and he thought that I snuck back upstairs, but I really snuck into my sunroom, like it's a front room on the left part of the house, and he was still in the kitchen area. He ran upstairs looking for me, and I broke out opened that window on the porch, and it still should be open.
Okay.
So
And
he
that's
was up
how
there
you
for a
got
while
out. You got.
looking for me.
Okay.
He thought I was looking for my son's tablet.
Okay. And then, did he find out that you came over here?
No, I don't. No, he couldn't have.
Okay.
He just was probably. I don't know where he thought I went, but.
Okay. And then I'm assuming your keys were probably still in the car, and then
got
he
me
just.
and my son out.
Okay. Do you want to sign charges for the theft of the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. And then you know for sure you took your gun.
I don't know. I just know he had it earlier.
Okay.
So would we be able to go over your house just to do like a walkthrough and see if it's over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, if we're gonna have that car just go into the drive on me.
Felony stop or not?
Copy.
He's out of the vehicle.
Alright, Sam, he's already out of the vehicle. He might have gotten to his house.
He definitely got in the house. He knows we're here now.
Copy.
Keep them up. Walk towards us. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hands on top of your head, please.
What's going on?
I'll explain everything to you.
This is about me and my girlfriend.
Yep. Everything else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my girlfriend's car that's right there.
It is? Okay.
I got the keys right here in my pocket.
Okay. Which pocket are they in?
And right pocket, right there.
Any guns on you?
No, I don't have
Any guns in the car?
No.
Any guns in the path you walked to get from here to the car?
I'm saying though, me and her ain't. Man, this is all for nothing, man.
Hey, I'm gonna fix this hand, okay?
I got her car keys right here, so she can get her car right.
All right, Johnny. You got anything on you that's gonna
I don't
focus
got
at me?
nothing. I don't got nothing at all.
What's all on your pants?
It's just bleach.
Bleach?
Yeah. She got dogs and stuff, man.
Okay.
I'm saying, she called the cops. I mean, what the hell?
Yeah. What's going on between you two?
Nothing. Like, nothing.
All right, do me a favor. Take the time and schedule X-ray.
Yeah, I'll make sure she get her car keys.
Oh, absolutely.
It's just that, I'll show y'all which one it is.
Okay. All right, give me a second, okay?
All right, they got him.
They got him?
Yep, they got him. They got the car. They're seeing if the gun or anything like that's in the car. If there's any sort of evidence. It's up to you if you want to do the walkthrough with us. It just kind of helps us have more evidence for this.
Yeah, okay.
And with it being like a domestic violence, like it's good to have as much evidence as possible.
Yeah.
But yeah, so he'll be going to jail. They'll put a protection order in place.
Still there? Or 8?
8's here. Give me 1 second. But like I said, what will happen is there's going to be a protection order that'll be put in place.
Prior to this incident, how often did he stay here? Does he live here?
He wasn't supposed to be, but he's been bullying his way. And he drives trucks during the week, so he comes over on the weekend.
Do you like kick him out or do you evict him?
Yes, because I keep telling him I don't want to be with him. And he keeps saying I'm not leaving.
Okay, did you actually evict him or did you just say get out of here?
Yeah, I've never evicted him because he was never supposed to even be living here.
Okay. How much stuff does he have in the house?
He probably got it in his 2 bags. That was it, like 2 bags of clothes. He didn't have much.
Do you have a room?
No, he doesn't have a room. I have a room, and he had like a few drawers of t-shirts and some pants.
Okay.
Hey, firm, I just went through it. Gun's not in the car. What kind of gun is it?
What kind of gun was it that you
A
had?
9.
Do you know what brand it was?
No. I think I don't know what brand.
Give me a second. I'll find out.
You know what color it was?
I jumped out. It's black. I jumped out at the
Here. She doesn't know the make or model, but she says it's a black 9mm.
I jumped out with some right from here.
Are both of those your phones or is it? Okay.
So I breed cane corsos, and I told him I have a family coming from out of town in the morning. Please, if you're going to break anything, just break everything else but that one. He had already broken my pink phone. He tried to break my baby's tablet, and he broke that one and said more money. And I said, this is kidnap. You can't lock me in the room. You can't take all my means to call for help.
Yeah.
So once he took the gun, I just got on the ground and did everything he asked me. And
So we would only have access to that camera if
well, actually, I have my laptop, so I can probably log into.
if you'd like to try it, more than welcome to.
Y'all still ain't tell me what the hell I'm going to jail for. Shit. Y'all done let me go. I live right here, man. I don't have to. Y'all gonna tell me what I'm going to jail for? Y'all ain't got to do that.
There's something that wants to head getting in, alright?
Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow the channel for more real stories and breaking updates.